This chapter gives a demonstration on the functional principle of retroreflective sensors using a GR18 as example. In case you need to cover long sensing ranges where proximity sensors have its limitations, the retroreflective sensor is a reliable choice. The sensor combines sender and receiver in one housing and needs a reflector. A light barrier is built up between sensor and reflector. The first step is to select the right reflector size according to the sensing range which is required in the application and the light spot size of the sensor. If the reflector is too small, the operating reserve is reduced or the operating range cannot be fulfilled. Object size should preferably be the same as the light spot diameter. In our demonstration, we like to cover a sensing range of 1 meter and use a PL48 reflector. This reflector is used due to the fact that the datasheet shows that the light spot diameter at 1 meter is 25 mm and the reflector should be of a similar size. The PL48's dimensions of 56 mm by 40 mm fit perfectly. During installation, make sure that the light spot is aligned in the center of the reflector. The orange indicator LED will light up continuously if the sensor is aligned correctly. If the sensor includes an adjustment possibility, for example using a potentiometer, adjust the sensor according to your application. If high operating reserve is required, go to the maximum range with a potentiometer. If, for example, small objects need to be detected, adjust the sensor using the potentiometer until the sensor is as sensitive that it can detect the small object. But watch out! Due to the increasing light spot size closer to the reflector, a small object might be detected close to the sensor but not close to the reflector.
Also keep in mind that the functional reserve is reduced when you increase the range, and pollution may have an effect on the sensor's detection reliability.
After final alignment and adjustment, check the functionality by moving the target into the light beam and the sensor output will switch.